Okay, we just finished the gutter installation. Timothy with TWL Roofing and Construction. As Hannibal would say on the A-Team, I love it when a plan comes together. So we've got a real good slant on these gutters here so that they have proper drainage. This color looks really nice on the home. Guys did a great job installing the gutters. They have the fasteners in place, connected to the brick. Have the downspouts extended out away from the foundation. As you can see, they just did a really good job installing these gutters. What I like about this color is it has a real nice shine to it. Those wind turbines are working perfect. This really came out a nice job. Put the connectors in perfect right here on the corners. Fasteners are square and straight. Wow, really nice. Okay, that's what a finished product looks like. This is the Copper Penny Gutters Autumn Brown Roof. TWL Roofing. Have a great day.